Meaning of Linnaean.
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 Linnaean. The term Linnaean refers to the system of taxonomic classification developed by the Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus. This system, also known as the Linnaean system, categorizes living organisms based on their physical characteristics and organizes them into a hierarchical structure, with species being grouped into increasingly broader categories such as genus, family, order, class, phylum, and kingdom. The Linnaean system has been widely used in biology for over 2 centuries and has provided a standardized way of naming and organizing the diversity of life on Earth.